Here we will learn that how we can prepare a clear documents from an hazy obscure documents. So at first we will open our documents in a software which is Adobe Photoshop. In this video we are using Adobe Photoshop Elements. After open it in Adobe Photoshop, then we will cut the documents according to our desired position which we want to make clear. So we select the cropping tools and cut into our desired according to our desired location. This is our documents. Then select image and go to the mode and select Grayscale and click OK. After that, then we will go to color level. For this we can press Ctrl L as a shortcut key. From here we will select white point and click on the comparatively black surface of the documents. Then click Dodge, then click Dodge tools. From here select highlights and select exposure to 25%. You can see that these documents will be clear white, but you can see that the font of this documents is not so clear. For this we will go to color level, press Ctrl L, drag the marker to the right side. Then we can see that the font is comparatively darker. Then we open the blank file according to paper size. After that we will transfer this edited documents to the corrected paper size. Lastly, we will export and compare. And compare both documents from the PDF and library. Thank you very much for watching this video.